Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know about the new beginners video series I'm starting. I'm going to be doing it along with my regular monthly videos where we're dealing with more advanced concepts. Rather than concentrating on making new materials, these videos are going to look at specific nodes and techniques. And they're also going to be more bite-sized, as I'll try to keep them from 15 to 20 minutes each. The series is going to be sequential, and it's going to be designed to take beginner viewers from zero to intermediate. But because each video deals with a single node, they can also be used as a quick reference by more advanced viewers. And I kind of came up with this because I really wanted to add more beginner content, but I don't really have all that much more time on my hands to do the videos. So I thought this would be a good way of doing it, and even people who aren't beginners will probably find useful stuff, and they're really quick videos, and they're only going to just deal with like one thing. So I'm hoping you guys like it. And I'm always interested in feedback from everybody, and enjoy.